Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Bmw E46 that does not start, we'll go ahead and show you guys where to find the relay for the fuel pump. If you want to make sure that your fuel pump is good, running, and you want to check the relay, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. You actually guys have one fuse inside the car for the fuel pump. Then you have a second fuse. That second fuse is for the fuel pump relay, and you have a fuel pump relay. So you have three different components. The fuse inside the glove box, we have it guys listed on the channel. Please check it out. We'll show you now where the fuse for the relay is and where the relay is located as well. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. So let's start with the fuse relay now and find it. Now we have guys the 2005 BMW here, 2005 BMW, but it will be the same from the 1998 year all the way to 2006. Okay, we start with the fuse relay now. Okay, and we open the hood. Right here we have a fuse box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that we need to remove. So what we use usually, Torx 25, all the tools and parts that we use guys, you can find listed in the description of the video below. Open it, remove it. Now right here guys we have one fuse block, consists of 5 fuses, but the only way to replace each of the fuses is by removing the whole block and taking it apart, and we'll show you how to do that now. So we need a flathead screwdriver now guys, okay, right there, and that clip we need to spread out and pull, okay, pull the fuse block out. Okay, now this fuse block consists of regular standard fuses, and each of those fuses is replaceable by opening the cap, one tooth here, one there, and you slide it out and you can get each of the fuses out. But we will show you how to test it without taking it apart. The fuse for the fuel pump relay is fuse number 4, okay, starting from the opposite side of the clip, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fuse right here guys. So what I'll do, I'll get a voltmeter here now. If you guys are looking for a good quality voltmeter with a true RMS, check this thing out, listed guys in the description of the video below. So if we set it at continuity testing and we touch the fuse terminal on one side and the other one, if the fuse is good, it will go close to 0 because there will be connection. Okay, perfect, this is a perfect fuse. And if it's not a good fuse, you're going to notice, okay, like that, like you have nothing. Okay, check it out now. Ours is perfect. Now, this is the fuse relay for the fuel pump. What about guys, okay, what about, I'm going to push that one in. Gotta make sure that it's all the way in. Install your cover here, and later I'm going to get it tight, but not to waste your time, but don't forget to get that thing tight. Why? Because if water and humidity get in, okay, it can cause damage guys, okay, damage to your fuse box. Now we'll go inside the car guys. Next part, you will have to remove your glove box. Okay, the video is on the channel how to remove the glove box and access the relays. Now right here guys, okay, once you remove your glove box, I'm going to show you. You know, usually your fuses are right here on top. You just open those things, pull it down. But once you guys remove the whole glove box assembly, there is one nut right here with 10mm socket. You remove that and you can pull the relays down. The relay that you're looking at now guys will be relay number 3 for the fuel pump. I can pull that thing more down if I need to. Okay, it's this relay right here, the very first one on the top left row, and it's a light green relay guys, light green relay. So let me see if I can pull it out to show you. Okay, let me get it out. The replacement relay and the tools and parts guys that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. So this is guys your fuel pump relay right here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you having that problem. Please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos, and see you guys next time.